This 2025 Highland Ridge Roamer 354 MBH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 39 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 9, microwave, oven, TV, refrigerator, skylight, stovetop burner, water heater, spare tire kit, LP detector, smoke detector, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Highland Ridge Roamer 354 MBH is 11,310 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.